normal question, the first question is always, are these cannibals? No, they are not cannibals. Cannibalism, in the true sense of the word, implies an interspecies activity. These creatures cannot be considered human. They prey at humans. They do not prey on each other. That's the difference. They attack and they feed only on warm flesh. Intelligence, seemingly little or no reasoning power, but basic skills remain are more remembered behaviors from normal life. There are reports of these creatures using tools, but even these actions are the most primitive. The use of external articles as bludgeons and so forth. I might point out to you that even animals will adopt the basic use of tools in this manner. These creatures are nothing but pure motorized instinct. Their only drive is for food, the food that sustains them.
I don't know what hovers over this house, but it was strong enough to punch a hole into this world and take your daughter away from you. It keeps Carol Ann very close to it and away from the spectral light. It lies to her. It says things only a child can understand. It has been using her to restrain the others. To her, it simply is another child. To us, it is the beast. Now let's go get your daughter.
Esclavo del espejo, sal de la oscuridad. Yo te invoco, ven a mí del más allá. Con mi voz a través de los vientos y del fuego, te conjuro. Muestra tu rostro, ya.
Dime, majestad, de tus deseos.
Sabio espejo consejero, saber quién es la más hermosa aquí.